Hello friends and welcome to the brand new planning channel. I'm so excited that you are here. So welcome to Aligned Plans. In this channel, well, this is basically the first video that you will likely see. On this channel, we chat about minimalist planning. We talk about how we can really create more alignment with the things that we plan and the things that we use all around us. So that brings me to today's video. Today we're going to be unboxing the September subscription box from Cloth and Paper. Super late. I know, I'm super late to the party. If you're in Canada, you already know the struggle. So why don't we just dive right in? So let's just get right into this and we'll take a look at all of the things that came here in the September box and how I'm going to actually use it. So let's do this. I came prepared. I know, I'm super proud here. Ooh. If you are brand new to Cloth and Paper, their monthly subscription box obviously comes once a month, and I have their penspiration box. So I usually get pens as well as the stationery. So first of all, here is, I wish that it didn't have like that smudging, but anyway, here is their little postcard thing. September, things falling apart is kind of testing and also a kind of healing. Love that. It looks like we're really going with like this dark green theme. And here's a little card, which I always appreciate, of just what's inside. So you get like some journal, some inserts, dashboard, mood tracker, and journaling cards. So let's open her up. Okay, let me get all of this out and we'll go through it one by one. Let's just get rid of the box. Okay, so first things first, these are the little journaling cards, which looks like you're getting the monthly. So now we have November's little calendar card. Beautiful. Take a break. You deserve it. So here's this month's journal card. Looks like this is printed on vellum. I can be and still. Looks like this month's theme is very much based on mindfulness. Then we have another monthly calendar card and one layering piece. Beautiful. Okay, looks like we have some mood tracker things going on here. So we have the half sticky notes, tracking your mood, and you can also keep track of it on a weekly basis. Then quick little dashboards. I think that there's a couple of them here. So let's open her up. I always try to open it up super carefully because a lot of the times I end up keeping these, the packaging, and then I just repackage as I'm making the switch over in my planner. I end up keeping those packages. Okay, looks like these are reflection journal prompts. Monthly, weekly, and daily. Oh my goodness, I love that. So we can add it into the different sections. A couple of dashboards. Believe in yourself and purpose. Ooh, I love that. Love it, love it, love it. Then we have, okay, so this is very much based on mindfulness. So you have your positive affirmations, your mindful intentions. You can put in what you're focusing on, and then a space where you can do free thoughts. And I think that you have about maybe 20, 25 of these sheets. Then you have, I think that this is the last of the horizontal weekly for November. And we have a little booklet for mindfulness. I like these little booklets. I don't find that I use them as often as if it is an insert, but I still appreciate it. The practice of maintaining a non-judgmental state is of heightened or complete awareness of one thoughts. Okay, so it's like explaining what it is. Okay, here we go. So let's see what this includes. Okay, looks like it's a 30-day journal. So record your day with ease using this 30-day journal. Start with your day by setting positive expectations and end it with thoughtful reflection. And in the next 30 days, I will The word of the month is because, and things I'm looking forward to. And yes, this is my little boy, Noah. If you have seen any of my videos, you know that he's generally part of everything. And he loves to grab things. So you have your morning practice and your evening practice, and you kind of go through that every single day. So in the morning, you write down how you're feeling, what the word of the day is, and what you're grateful for, and things that help you accomplish your goals. And then it looks like you're reflecting at the end of the day. I love that. I love that because it really helps you dive deeper into the actual practice and make it a practice. Now let's take a look at the pens. And I usually use this penspiration card to do some pen testing. If you are new to cloth and paper, if you get both the pen and stationery, you generally get about, so you get like this little pouch that holds all of your pens, and then you get about 4 to 5 different pens, sometimes highlighters, sometimes you get markers, but for the most part you get pens. Okay, it looks like we're going with taupe on this one. Let's just do some testing. Okay, don't eat it. We're not eating the pens, we're using the pens. Okay, here, the tip here, let's get you guys zoomed in. So here you have like this needle tip. I don't know what the name is. That's the only thing that I wish that I knew what these are called. So we'll just write testing. Looks like this is Mouse Marku, I guess. I don't know. It's one of the Japanese pens. But this one is more of a regular gel pen. Oh my goodness. I really like this color. Look how cute that is. If you love taupe, you're going to love this. I can tell you this right now. I had a few of these jumbo pens from Cocoa Green, and they are okay. I find just if you get these pens, just kind of watch out because some of them do run. Like I have a couple of them. I don't know if that's the same brand. I feel like it is, but this was running like crazy. It's nice. I do generally use a soft surface to write, and even then sometimes it skips a little bit, so just keep that in mind. And let's see this one. If you love white pens, they are fantastic at sending you white pens. This one is also 0.5. I'm not sure what color. They're all like, I don't know, like to me, they all kind of feel very similar. So that's this last one with like the really great grip. And I mean, like they have sent something similar out in previous boxes. So if you're kind of contemplating, are the pens worth it? See, like another like needle tip pen. It doesn't have a name, so I can't even give you guys a reference. It's the lavender color one. The only thing is it doesn't write lavender. Almost all of them will write black. So this is the very last one here. So they're all very lovely. I will be using them. I just don't... Let's talk about the pens for just a moment, because I know that some of you that, like if you're a massive stationery junkie, then you might feel super drawn to getting the pens all the time. And that's sort of how I felt, that for a little while I couldn't get enough of the pens, but I find that after a while most of them write really similarly to the previous months, and eventually you're just sort of like, you're not really like, you're getting a variety. So don't get me wrong, you do get a variety, but you don't get a variety, if that makes sense. Like they all write really similarly. The tip is going to be really similar. So if you love kind of switching up your pens, then they're great because you're going to get new pens all the time. But I think that the true value here is actually in the stationery box, in all of the things that you receive. Because here you get to always switch out your dashboards. You get different inserts with different just different intentionality and like different focuses each month, and you get either their stickies or if they have like limited edition anything. Like for, I believe it was actually last month that I received the limited edition Ollie clip, which was fantastic. I think, no, maybe they had this in the summertime. I can't remember, but so overall, if you're kind of thinking about, will the box be worth it? Is it worth your time? I think that it is, because you always get something new and exciting each month, and you also kind of get first dibs on sort of what's coming out. With the pens, at this point, I ended up switching my subscription to, I believe October will be my last month where I will be receiving pens, and after moving forward, I will basically just get the stationery box, because for that it's worth it, because I like getting the variety. So if you've kind of been sitting on the fence of trying to decide, should you get the stationery and the pens? If you really love pens, go for it. It will absolutely satisfy you, but after a while it does get a little bit repetitive, even though they're like stunning pens. This is all I wanted to share with you guys. I would love to know in the comments below if you are currently subscribed to Cloth and Paper, and if you love their stationery box nearly as much as I do. Let's connect, let's chat, let's chit chat. I will basically leave timestamp in the description so that you can kind of just hop to the different sections of the video. And if you wanted to connect with me on Instagram, then I will leave the handle for that as well, because I share all things planner related on this new Instagram handle. So this is all I got for you. I hope that you have enjoyed it, and I cannot wait to see you guys in my next one.